One of the most important tricks to know in perspective is how to divide spaces correctly using just a diagonal line. Now, you might be familiar with the railroad tracks as a demonstration of one-point perspective, but how do you space out the railroad ties? Do you just guess? Well, it turns out there's a brilliantly simple way to do this. Draw the first two railroad ties, however far apart you choose, it doesn't matter. Then draw a vertical center line through the vanishing point. Draw a diagonal line from one end of the first railroad tie through where the center line crosses the second railroad tie and extend it to where it meets the other side of the tracks. That's the point where the third railroad tie is located. Continue doing this, moving up a railroad tie each time. The ties are now spaced in perspective, but the ties are just lines. How do you give them depth? Draw the depth of the first tie. Where it crosses the diagonal, extend a line back to the vanishing point. Where it crosses each diagonal is the location of the back edge of each subsequent railroad tie. This works for fences, walls, etc. Just turn everything 90 degrees.